My name's Emily, and we're going to open the Funko Beware 13-Day Spooky Countdown. So let's get on to it. Where is it? Oh, yeah.
Who is it?
Freddy Krueger.
Freddy Krueger from Nightmare on Elm Street. Okay, we'll be back tomorrow.
We'll be back tomorrow, and thank you for watching our video, and we'll do tomorrow. So, bye.